Previously, we've talked about how our bar work correlates to our center work, and our dégagés are no different. So when we get to our adage out center, there are a few steps specifically that pull from our dégagés, and two of those examples would be our balance and a waltz tour. For our balance, we start every single time with a dégagé. So we dégagé, step onto it, pull it through coupe into a dégagé. It doesn't matter what type of balance we're doing, be it side to side, front or back, every balance starts with the dégagé. Another good example would be our waltz tour. So again, there are different variations of how to do the waltz tour, but they all have a dégagé and a dégagé. I hope this helps make a little bit better sense as to why they are even needed. And tomorrow we're going to talk about how our dégagés help us with some of our allegro work. So I will see you tomorrow.